from date is of final disclosure item 1, WPC 2591 of 2004.
This is going to pass over.
Pass over by? Pass over.
40% in 19 equals 6 to 50%. He will be within 15 to 20 minutes here.
Okay, come at 3 o'clock. Next. 3 बजे.
Photos item 2 set WPC 2877 of 1999.
There is an order here relation to 25th of February 2022. Maybe it has not come in response. After the news to meet themselves, and unfortunately I was not able to establish any contact with any of the authorities.
Nothing. This issue is no longer surviving because the Wilson's rule has been upheld ultimately. It is for the government to make the rules. So that is not the reason to adjourn this court. Even if this affidavit has not come, it has got no relevance.
The invitation of request somebody to make a case for family not in that conversion of mind to be addressed.
We were all there in this case, Moramo.
In fact, the matter is 99, so you appreciate this matter.
No, I was otherwise not involved in these
No, I know.
matters.
I'm saying
But
that
this is in this
is an
Moramo's
obligation which
judgment,
is
I was
followed.
there.
Yes.
I was working
Yes.
in this.
Yes. In fact, I remember that being covered, photocopy book,
Yes.
race,
Yes.
the edition organized.
And then I had also brought and entire set of unrepealed acts when at the time of framing of constitution. The entire set. It must be there.
Yes.
Unrepealed acts. उनके चेंबर में क्या क्या आपको सब पता है? वो है unrepealed acts का पूरा सेट.
Unrepealed acts तो था, but I did not know that it was
मैं ही लेके आई.
source.
I went to Delhi to get that.
Yes, come here, because that was one case in which I got to know whole case. That was yes, reference.
Yes. Anyway,
This was
इसका
not
क्या?
available here. It was too expensive.
हाँ.
Why?
वो पूरा photocopy कराई थी. That bound volume must be there, green color. तो कब करना है इसको बताइए. इससे तो कितना दिन चलेगा?
पता नहीं पार्टीज भी मतलब बहुत कोशिश की पार्टीज से कांटेक्ट करें इसकी मीटिंग अरेंजमेंट और समथिंग.
What is the matter? जरा खोल के देखें तो सही. Let's have a look.
Where may I paragraph 1 that we introduce.
Yes.
We are seeking a declaration that an order passed in the Jharkhand title suit under the Wilson's rule is valid by operation of the Validating Act of 1966, 1978. And therefore, we have requested to question of an order which was passed by the Commissioner in B. The order passed by the Deputy Commissioner.
You read the piece. You read the prayer.
Writ applications for issues of appropriate and order of action declaring that the order passed in Jharkhand title suit number 28 of 66 dated 26/5/1971 under the Wilson's rule is valid by operation of Bihar Pradhan Civil Justice Regulating and Validating Act 1966 and Bihar Pradhan Civil Justice Regulating and Validating Act 1978 and Posh order dated 20th of February 1973 issued by the Commissioner Regional South Sugar Title Appeal, order dated 12th of November 1975, as by the Additional Deputy Commissioner in Koran Title Suit number 34, and order dated 20th of April 88 issued by the Commissioner in Civil Immigration Division, as the same is about an issue agreeing with the party for the Advance of the Federation Territory Act, Article 14 and 11A of the Constitution of India, and the right to inherit the properties by the adherents under the tribal customs as approved by the UNESCO. Further, issue appropriate rate of provision upon Islamic free, restraining him or forbearing from making any payment of compensation that the company is seeking to propose. Matter, there was reliance
The
upon
property was acquired.
Yes. May I see this already? Which will fix any day. Come prepared and try to finish on the matter in shortest possible time. Now that she was observed that this appointment is not required.
Yes, tell me if it is required. It is not required. No rules have come. They have not framed the rules. They are not in a mood to frame the rules.
Without affidavit, we know that rules have not come.
Rules have not come.
Now,
Yes,
so
you are for the
she has
state.
a constitutional court to consider whether they should be directed to do something.
What? We are not going to direct them to frame rules because that direction is already there in the full bench judgment. Isn't it? There was a direction to that.
Yes. My understanding of legal position is clear. But when there is an order of the court, it is also a law binding upon the person concerned.
You see, even if some rules come up, that will have no bearing in this case. Can it have a bearing in this case? So it is immaterial.
They won't have the capacity to make rules which
Should have been
cover
there.
these cases.
So we are not bothered about it. Yes, respondent, private respondent कौन है इसमें?
उसका आरती गुप्ता और अकेली लौटा के अंदर ही है।
हाँ,
Private respondent.
आरती गुप्ता
कहाँ है वो?
लास्ट अंदर
Last time he was there. पहले तो we have to secure his appearance. कल रखते हैं. ये सब पुराने केसेस ऐसे ही डे टू डे चलने वाले हैं. इतना बर्डन हम लोग नहीं झेल पा रहे हैं.
इतना बार लिस्ट में होता है डेटा ऑफिस के से
नहीं हो पाएगा ऐसा. उनको खबर कर देंगे आप. कल रख देते हैं. नहीं रहेंगे तो अगला डेट में टाइम वाइम नहीं देंगे. फिर हम उनके बिना ही डिसाइड कर देंगे. उनका काउंटर आया होगा ना उनका. कहाँ है काउंटर? जरा देखिए कहाँ है.
नहीं एक मिनट तो सर्विस वगैरह दिया काउंटर कुछ दिया
ये तो सीधा सीधी बात है
ऑर्डर नंबर 29 देखा है
रिकॉर्ड आया है आपका. रिकॉर्ड तो आ गया. रिकॉर्ड सवाल. पहले तो ये जो इसमें प्रोविजन आप रेफर किए ना, इसको कॉपी प्रोवाइड करिए. विल्किंसन्स रूल और दिस Bihar Kolhan Civil Justice Regulation and Validating Act and Bihar Kolhan Civil Justice Regulating and Validating Act 66 and 77 दोनों चाहिए. This is arising out of a partition suit. Kolhan title suit. Inheritance.
Those validating acts are there, Annexation 9.
Election 9.
And Wilkinson's rule is available in the CAT.
निकालिए जरा Wilkinson's.
दूसरा मैटर कर लिया है. तो दूसरा मैटर सब कर लिया है तो अभी काम आज इसका यही मिलता है.
सुनवाई तो नहीं होगा, लेकिन सुनवाई की तैयारी तो कर लेनी है ना, इसीलिए बहुत समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। हम कभी नहीं सोचे थे कि विल्किंसन रूल का केस हम डिसाइड भी करेंगे, तो अब हमको डिसाइड करना है। ये एक सब्जेक्ट अनटच्ड है जो मैंने कभी डिसाइड नहीं किया। इलेक्शन नंबर
Question 9. 971.
आ गए मिस्टर आतिफ। तो यस मिस्टर गुप्ता, आप ही का वेट कर रहे हैं।
इससे सुन मिला?
सब मिल गया। आप बताइए।
Matter related to Wilkinson. A full bench judgment decided in the year 2000, Mora Ho versus State of Bihar. As per that judgment, now the government has to decide that the civil suit filed by the tribals in Kolan division that will proceed in the judicial side, not in the administrative side.
वो तो 2000 में हुआ जजमेंट, और ये कब डिसाइड हुआ?
वो पहले का है।
पहले का है, तो क्या रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव डेट से कुछ हो जाएगा क्या?
नहीं होगा नहीं। अब इसमें क्या है कि
सर आपको पता नहीं है, यू आर नॉट अवेयर। वो मोराहो का केस पूरा हम वो पूरा बहस किया। वो मिस्टर पीके सिन्हा थे, आई यूज्ड टू असिस्ट हिम इन दैट केस, सो आई एम क्वाइट अवेयर। लेकिन 2000 में उसका फाइनल जजमेंट क्या आया था एग्जैक्टली, ऑपरेटिव क्वेश्चन को याद है।
जजमेंट तो हमारे पास है।
ठीक है, रूल बनाना था ना।
हाँ,
ठीक है, नहीं बना।
नहीं बना।
मान लीजिए रूल बन भी जाता है,
हाँ,
तो क्या ये सब
नहीं जाता।
तो फिर आप इस पे बहस करिए ना।
Now this case,
इसमें देखिए बहुत छोटा सा इशू है मिस्टर गुप्ता,
yes,
कि जब विल्किंसन रूल से ऑलरेडी चीज़ें डिसाइड हो गई, तो कमिश्नर को कहाँ से पावर मिला रिवीजन में कोई चीज़ को सेट असाइड करना? अगर रूल में पावर है तो है, और नहीं है तो नहीं है। दिखाइए, इतना ही सा तो है, एक लाइन का 99 से जूट बोर्ड का पड़ा हुआ है। तब
now last several years, I will not touch into the client whether I did or not.
वकालतनामा है ना,
हाँ,
एजम्पशन तो नहीं होगा कि मर गया,
हाँ, that is also.
एजम्पशन है कि
नहीं,
जीवित।
बीच में सब्स्टिट्यूशन भी हुआ था कुछ।
हाँ, वो हो गया,
हाँ,
इसीलिए वो कोई
court has to decide whether the commissioner has the power.
हाँ, आप
Let the
बताइए।
matter be remanded, remand.
रिमांड क्यों होगा? हम यहाँ डिसाइड करेंगे ना उसको पावर था कि नहीं था, पावर के लिए भी डिमांड करेंगे।
Yes, let him decide.
तो आप बता दीजिए पावर था, इनका कहना है कि नहीं था, बताइए कि था, बताइए कहाँ से पावर है कमिश्नर को? Revision का।
Wilkinson rule में the commission order of the deputy commissioner has to be filed before the commissioner, Kolan division.
बताइए ना कहाँ है विल्किंसन रूल, लेके आए हैं?
Wilkinson rule तो अभी नहीं आया है।
बता।
Appendix B6.
यस मिस्टर नीरज राय, इतना ही है ना इसमें, जुरिस्डिक्शन पॉइंट है, इसके अलावा तो कुछ नहीं। ये वाला कोई किताब मंगा लीजिए, लंबा चौड़ा जजमेंट है।
हुजूर को जजमेंट अभी देखेंगे?
नहीं, क्या ही देखेंगे, लेकिन देखते हैं।
नाम हो गया तो नाम हो
मेरा नाम अपील कर रहा है?
गया, मेरा भी।
अच्छा यार,
Majority of 2:1.
रूप किधर है? मेजॉरिटी व्यू कहाँ पर है?
Majority view paragraph 15 to 19. And then 20. raise an observation. In addition, we see paragraph 21, subpara 2. Honorable Justice S.J. Mukhopadhyay's
Yes, His Honor.
second paragraph.
Yes.
Second subparagraph. Questions referred to from which are answered accordingly. However, as the finding will come
नहीं हमको नहीं मिल रहा है.
prospective.
एक सेकंड हमको नहीं मिल रहा. Para 21.
In addition, para 21, the thereby is started. I am seeing from DL. Yeah. So, you see just before this is in by one. You start after para 22.
It is in 27.
Okay. So just before his lordship, view the last but one paragraph, majority. Thereby. Paragraph starts with thereby.
Just a minute. Let me be there. Thus, in the absence of order prescribing rules, para 22.
Okay. Majority view ends in para 27 unit.
It is in AIR. It is ending in 29.
29. So in addition, kindly see 27.
27.
Yes.
After the aforesaid decision, now more than 30 years have
No,
passed.
please see 28.
28. Thereby.
28 has got two paragraphs, two subparagraphs.
Okay. Thereby.
Please see the second subparagraph. Last
You
sentence.
read the full text.
Thereby, even if the Bihar government's notification is taken into consideration, whereby CPC was not made, CPC Amendment Act was not made applicable to the districts in view of 1976 amendment, whereby subsection 3 to section 1 of CPC was substituted. I hold that the CPC holds field for the whole district of Singhbhum, including Kolhani. The question thereby referred to full bench are answered accordingly in favor of the petitioner. However, this is relevant for our case. As this finding will come into effect from prospective date, any decision already rendered in the instance cannot be automatically held to be. Now we have to see whether this portion is also majority view. This is one honorable judge's view.
This is only Honorable Justice S.J. Mukhopadhyay.
Yes.
Let's have a look at it.
This is R.S. Sharma's view and said.
I think both of them gave common.
Yes.
Common judgment.
Yes. Common.
So it is prospective.
Yes. It is.
It is prospective. Therefore, under such circumstances, this case will be governed by that. अब Wilkinson's rule में power दिखाइए कमिश्नर का order of the favor.
देखा जाए मैंने फ्रेंड annexure 9
Rule दिखाइए ना ये तो
हाँ
act.
रूल लगाया है
Annexure.
annexure 9 page 71
कोल्हान
civil
civil
justice
justice.
regulation and validating act
उसके
1966
पहले Wilkinson's rule अलग होगा ना?
हाँ उसमें अलग से नहीं दिया हुआ इसी पर ये तो है और नेक्स्ट पेज में 72 में लिखा हुआ डिप्टी कमिश्नर सिंघभूम और एनी अदर ऑथराइज्ड बाय द डिप्टी कमिश्नर सिंघभूम टू ट्राई सिविल सूट एंड प्रोसीडिंग ऑफ द वैल्यू exceeding 300 rupees and such by the deputy commissioner to try civil suit and proceeding of the value not there उसके बाद दिया हुआ सी में कमिश्नर ऑफ छोटा नागपुर डिवीजन that is there in the act itself
ठीक है सूट करने के लिए है ना?
अब सूटे चलता है ना
ये तो रिवीजन कर दिया है कमिश्नर. Impugned order is a revisional order.
हाँ
तो
if the appeal is decided by the deputy commissioner the only remedy lies with the petitioner or the defendant the final revision before the commissioner
how? Under which provision? रिवीजन का स्टैट्यूट में आप पढ़िए. आप पहले विल्किंसन्स रूल पढ़िए. पहले आप विल्किंसन्स रूल में आइए. You come to Wilkinson's rule.
Same language of 12.
Yes.
Something in our case.
Hindustani and in Bengal portion in Bengali language. Your case I have reserved. I think Mr. Laik is there. He was there just. I have reserved because all the adjournment orders have been uploaded. बताइए इसमें कहाँ है रिवीजन का पावर दिखाइए.
That is a title appeal. In the prayer portion, my learned friend has, in the petition itself, it is written title appeal. Page 80.
पेज 80.
कमिश्नर का ऑर्डर अभी इनका जो है पेज 37 में आपने लिखे हैं further issue appropriate date in the quashing the order dated by social issued by the commissioner in title appeal number 107 of 1971.
वो तो हो गया ना डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर का अपील.
लेकिन
म्यूटेशन रिवीजन का ऑर्डर्स आर अंडर चैलेंज. ये म्यूटेशन रिवीजन कहाँ से आया? वेयर इज द ओरिजिनल सूट ऑर्डर?
page 43 application
पेज 68.
P 647. And annexure 4.
The suit was for what purpose?
The suit lines were recorded in the name of Chief Police, author of Dunia Ho. 40 starts of page 47.